Hello everyone, this is Trading Gate, and in this video we're gonna introduce a new scalping strategy that you can use for like a cryptocurrency in the Forex market. In this strategy, I'm not gonna use any stop loss. This strategy is for scalping, means you're gonna close your trade within minutes or maximum hours, but mostly all trades gonna close in a couple of minutes. Before going to the video, please subscribe to channel, like the video, and if you like it, and comment below the video and support us. And this gonna motivate us to post more strategies and videos in future. Please, before using any strategy available on websites and internet and YouTube, and please backtest first on the asset you're trading and the time frame you're trading on. For this strategy, I'm gonna use two time frames. First time frame is 1 hour and the second one is 5 minutes. As I mentioned, you can always backtest on different time frames and make this strategy your own strategy and change it based on whatever suits you. So now in Ethereum, this is the future market. It means I can use leverage. So based on the scalping strategies, you need to use leverages. The leverage I'm going to use in this strategy is 30, but the take profit level I'm going to have is 0.2%. You just need the Halftrend indicator. Okay, in this Halftrend indicator, this is not the default. If you reset to default, you're gonna see the indicator like that. I'm gonna go to the setting. I'm gonna increase the amplitude to 4 and then uncheck 2 boxes. So whenever it's red, it means you have a downtrend, and whenever it's blue, it means you have an uptrend. So in 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna recognize the trend and then going to the 5 minute time frame and taking my trade. So for backtesting, I'm gonna show you and indicate all the possible trades we could take in Ethereum future market, and from the 1st of August to the day that I'm recording with this video, it means to 21st of August. Okay, this is the 1st of August. Okay, here is the 1st of August. So we're gonna start from here. So this is a down. I'm gonna use it with vertical line. I'm gonna make it green because it's a downtrend. It's red. Then we have blue, so I'm gonna add another one, green, red, another another one. So all changes in the color, I'm gonna indicate that with this vertical lines. The green line means buy signal and the red one is sell signal. So another one here. I'm going to show you how without having a stop loss you can have 100% win rate in future market. So this method is crazy, and but make sure you're following the risk management. Okay, I just put those vertical lines, means the place that I had change in the color of this half trend indicator. So basically I have like 18 trade. We're gonna see how many of those trades are successful. And as I mentioned, so our profit level, depending on the cryptocurrency that you're trading or the Forex market, you can just always uh, change your profit level. But in future markets, since I'm using a leverage of 30, so for me, for Ethereum, uh, I'm gonna have 0.2% like that. So I'm gonna have like 6% profit in each trade. So this one is 21 days, 18 trade. So it means if all those trades were successful, I'm gonna have like 6% in the power of like 18. It's like 185% profit. It's crazy for 21 days. Lots of people looking for like 20% a month, but as I mentioned, you need to follow risk management and not putting all of your money in one trade. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame to see what's the difference. So I'm going to start from the 1st of August. This is the 1st of August. So I'm looking for 0.2% to be filled. So you can see it's maximum 0.662 is filled here. Good. This is the increase. So this is like a long position. So you can see it goes to 2%. We're gonna close our position here. You can see in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you got 6%. Amazing. This is a down trend, so we're looking for the short positions. You can see it went all the way 4% down, but we need to have just our 0.2%. It means with the leverage of 36% filled. As you can see here, the next one is here. Obviously, it's filled, so long run here. So here as well, we're gonna close our position somewhere like here. So it's in 15 minutes you have that profit 6%. But I mean, you can just change this profit level and the leverage depending on the asset you're trading. You just need to backtest first. And here you can see filled easily here, like even 15 minutes. Mostly you can see in 15 minutes you have the position closed. And the next one would be here that I got like 1.8%. So, but we're gonna close the position somewhere like that. You can see it's 2% up. That with the leverage of 30 is like 60% negative, but don't worry. So you can see here. And the next one is a long position. Long position, if you even start a trade, open the trade here, you're gonna have easily in even one candle, your position is gonna be closed in 5 minutes. The next one here, easily in even 1 or 2 candles, 5-10 minutes, you have the position closed. The long position here as well, amazingly closed. 6%. Again, it's obvious that you have the profit target hit. And another one here, you can see 0.2% means somewhere like that. That in 15 minutes your position is closed. Even here, your position is closed. The short trade, amazing. This one, you can see all the way like 1.7% up. So what you're just gonna close your position somewhere like after like 30 minutes. Obviously, successful trade. Here we're gonna have successful trade as well. Successful trade as well. Successful trade as well. You can see, so you just need have 0.2%. It's crazy. So yeah, you saw that I opened lots of positions. You can backtest in the different assets, and you can see that it works amazingly. Please, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like video and comment below if you like it. And it's gonna motivate us to find you guys more strategies, especially for scalping and day trading, swing trading, and it helped us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a wonderful day.